Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a healthy royal cheesecake. It's delicious and protein packed, and it's so easy to make.
We need 100 grams of flour. Today I have coconut, almond and soy flour. These types of flour give a very crumbly crumb, a beautiful yellowish tint, and contain a lot of protein and low carb. You can choose other types of flour to your taste. Add a little sweetener, 1 gram of salt, and half a gram of vanillin. Stir all dry ingredients. And I'm gonna add liquid ingredients. 30 grams of ghee oil and a little milk. It may take more or less milk, depending on the types of flour you choose. 35 grams was enough for me. Mix it up. It turns out to be crumbs, a consistency like wet sand. It sticks together into lumps, but it crumbles easily. For the curd layer, we need 400 grams of farmer's cheese, 2 eggs, and sweetener to taste. Grind the bulk thoroughly with the fork. I have this ring with a foil bottom, inside a circle of baking paper. I grease the mold with oil. And I spread 2/3 of the crumbs for the base. I spread it and press down a little with spatula. Put the curd layer. Also a line. And sprinkle with the remaining crumbs. I bake it in the oven for half an hour. The cake is ready when its crust is slightly golden. Let it cool down to room temperature. I take off the foil. We ship the cake to the board. Take your knife and run it around the edges of the cheesecake. A simple and healthy royal cheesecake is ready. This is crumbly sweet cake, delicious and flavorful. It's protein packed and low carb. The full recipe is available in the description box below. Subscribe and share this video. Thanks so much for watching and give me a thumbs up. Have a nice day.